This chapter or lesson Fair Play has been written by Prem Chand. It has been written in Hindi originally. In English, it has been translated Fair Play. This story is about the realization of two friends who understood the importance of justice and right things in life. Life made them realize that justice and right things are above everything, including friendship. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were very good friends. They were known for their loyalty and service to each other. Their friendship was a support to their families as well. The village people respected them a lot for this. Okay, so now I am going to read. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends, so strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were true friends. Their relationship was very deep. They even took care of each other's families whenever one of them had to go out or away from the village. Both were respected for their loyalty and sincerity to each other. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. Jumman's aunt had some property which she transferred to his name. In return, she expected him to look after her. This settlement worked in her favor for 2 years. After the Jumman and his family's behavior towards her changed, they were fed up with her. Jumman showed no interest in her. His wife gave her food unwillingly. She tolerated this misbehavior for a few days. One day she spoke to Jumman, my son. It is not obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to village panchayat. When she could not tolerate any longer, she spoke to Jumman. She said that she knew it clearly that nobody liked her in the house and she was unwanted. So it would be better if he could give her some amount of money on a monthly basis so that she could manage her kitchen independently. Jumman seamlessly replied to her that his wife knew the house matters better. The kind of response made her angry and upset. She thought of taking the case to the village panchayat. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. The old lady spoke to the villagers, talked about every detail of the whole matter, and asked her for their help. Some people pitied her, some made fun of her, and some others suggested her to patch up with her nephew and his wife. Finally, she met Algu Chaudhary and had a word with him. Algu hesitated and said that it was not possible for him to go against his friend. Then old lady requested him and posed a question to him. She asked him if it was the right thing to keep quiet and not to speak everything for which he thought it was right. She further stressed him to come to the panchayat and speak for